Oh my god. Okay, see how big it is. A blue crab. Big one. Okay. Hello guys, we're home. The Ilocanian boys are home, and let's see the fish. How big it is. Let's take out the crab first. Alright, see the fish. My God! Okay.
Ang anong biyaga ba?
Ano gisa wala?
Dapat masih dia pwede.
Let's see the crabs. Wait, move it there. Wala ng pinsyo. Crabs ah. The daraknul pa. Oh my God! Look at that! Tawa, natin the takol. Hold on, let's see the see the blue crabs. Okay. This is the big one, the biggest of them all. Uy. Oh my God. Okay, see how big it is. A blue crab. Big one. Okay. Wait. Ito bilang natin karap sa pa. Sigang ko tayo fillet dato ikan. This is the scale of the red worm. It's like a kapis. They call it kapis in Philippines, right? This is I don't know if this is the one they use it for to make the windows, the old windows, and some of the stars, or they call it parol. I think so. Sorry.
Yeah. So we're gonna fillet it because it's so burdensome to keep up the scale.
Alright mga kakrabing, after we clean the fish and cut the bones we'll do a fish stock, and then we're gonna do a fresh pasta made from scratch, and we're gonna incorporate with the steamed crabs. Yan. Sa mga ating mga kakrabing dyan, gagawa tayo ng fresh na pasta at isasahog natin yung nakuha nating blue crabs. Yan. At sana po ay wag niyo pong kalimutang i-like, i-share ang aming videos o ang aming channel. At mag-comment na rin kayo kung ano yung mga napapansin ninyo para ma-improve pa natin ang ating videos. And there is one she commented that I speak we need to speak English because she don't understand the Tagalog or Ilocano. So I forgot her name, but you can follow us. And then, as I said a while ago, the blue crabs that we catch it, we're gonna steam, and then again we're gonna incorporate with the fresh pasta from the scratch. Yun. Okay, and then the next episode we will go again crabbing, and I don't know what's the place. Then we will search what's the best place again to catch a blue crabs, a big blue crabs. As you can see, we catch a big blue crabs. That's from a Surfside, Texas, Freeport. Yan. So those who wants to catch fresh blue crabs, especially those beginners, you can comment or ask questions in our channel, the Ilocanian Boys Outdoors, and then we will share it to you where's the place to catch a fresh blue crabs, a big blue crabs. Yan. I just wanna share about this. A while ago, while we were crabbing and fishing, police warden stopped there and checked us, and if we are following the protocol of the Texas wildlife and everything. So the warden, he's nice warden, he gave us a tutorial on how to tag the red rum. We are a beginner also, so we don't know. We just only rely on the YouTube and Google. But thank God that the warden came and he showed us, and he teach us how to tag the red rum. If you catch a big red rum, go beyond the 28 inches, you need to tag it so that the warden will not give you a citation or ticket, because you know it's too expensive to have a citation and ticket when you have no license and you don't tag. The warden, he's so really good. He just only gave us warning because it's our first time. We told him everything. So, but we have everything. We have the license, we have the tag. So whatever the warden or the police warden ask you, tell the truth. What do you have? What do you catch? That you have red rum, black rum, and crabs. Because if you lie to officer, that's a big problem. Maybe they're gonna revoke your license. That's a good experience for us, you know. But it is good. He don't give us citations. He just said to us that this is what you're gonna do when you catch a big fish like this. You need to do this: tag it and put on the tail, take it out the what do you call that? Rip off the month and the date and put county, what county you are. So that's all, mga kakrabing. Yan ho, mga kakrabing. So sabi ko nga nung una pa, talagang mahigpit sila rito sa Texas pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kailangan nasa size limit ka o beyond limit ka. Pag nahuli ka, ticket ka. Yan. Thank you very much again for watching our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share, and press the notification bell so that we will notify you if we have a new spot to crab and new place. It's the same, new place or spot to crab a big blue crabs. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless. This is the red rum scales, but I didn't take it out. Look at that, huh? And this is how it looks like when it fillets already. So I fillet the red rum. Okay. Shit. We don't need this one, so we throw the garbage.
Careful, okay? Gonna finish your
So this is the fillet now, red rum fillet. It's fresh and yummy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
look at that. Nice fillet of red rum. Nice fillet of red rum.
Now they can eat.
It's nice. Look at that.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So this is all the meat of the red rum, like 32 inches. How many pounds is that, bro?
Huh?
How many pounds?
Ay, ano ko?
Maybe like around 30 pounds or more than that. But we don't. If we forgot to weighing the fish, but this is all the meat, and then we're gonna chop the bones. As you can see, it's nice fillet, right? And the chef gonna cook this red rum. Okay, as you can see that. So this is all the bones, the heads of the red rum, and what we're gonna do for this is we're gonna do a stock. Then after we get to the stock, we're gonna do, and I want to make a nice soup like a bouillabaisse, like that, or you can do a use for sauces for anything. Like we're gonna make a beurre blanc, saffron reduction on this. It's really nice. You got that nice bones. Then we're gonna make a stock on this. Yan mga krabing, ito na yung red rum na nakuha namin kanina. Yan, soup with the green beans, cabbage, and spring onions with onions and tomatoes. Yan, yan, fresh. Love it. Okay mga krabing. Yummy. So, ang tawag nila dito in Filipino is sinigang, but in English is sour soup with a different kinds of vegetables that mix together with the chili, green chili. Yeah, but it's nice, fresh, and love it. Yan. As you can see, love it. Fish, the one that I fillet. See the fish here? It's nice, right? Okay. So if you have any comments, just comment and we will answer your more. Exactly. So almost done. So once this almost wilted, you can put now your crabs. There you go. This is the crab. So what you're gonna do is you put only like half of that, and maybe three-fourths of that. This one is we're gonna put the top later.